Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Holden Colorado LTZ, stock reference number 5576. This shape runs from the 7th month 2016 through to the 12th month 2020. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left-hand headlight, left fog light, tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, pair of side steps with all bolts and brackets. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Factory sports bar with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door and right front door appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and the right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, climate control type, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, rain sensor type, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and collision buttons.